Today, we'll delve into the world of artificial intelligence, understanding its definition, significance, and exploring various applications across different industries. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Mimicking human intelligence, learning from data, making decisions. Example: AI systems are designed to mimic human intelligence, learning from vast amounts of data to make decisions or perform tasks without explicit programming. Explanation of different AI techniques. Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. For example, AI techniques include machine learning, where algorithms improve their performance over time, deep learning, which involves neural networks with multiple layers, and natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and generate human language. Benefits of AI adoption: increased efficiency, improved decision-making, new opportunities. For example, adopting AI technologies can lead to increased efficiency in operations, improved decision-making through data-driven insights, and the creation of new opportunities for innovation and growth. Challenges of AI ***. Challenges and concerns related to AI. Ethical considerations, job displacement, bias in algorithms. For example, despite its benefits, AI also presents challenges such as ethical considerations regarding data privacy and fairness, concerns about job displacement due to automation, and the potential for bias in algorithms. Predictions for the future of AI. Advancements in AI research, integration with other technologies, potential impact on society. For example, the future of AI holds promise with advancements in research, integration with other technologies like robotics and IoT, and its potential impact on society, shaping how we live, work, and interact with technology. Summary of key points. Encourage further exploration or discussion. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool with vast applications across industries, offering numerous benefits and posing challenges that require careful consideration. I encourage you to explore further and join the conversation about the future of AI. Thank you for watching.